Hello, 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 all my friends. Okay, today let me introduce the machine and our ability for the comprehensive ability for research and development. We are focused on this field over 20 years. I'm a baker. First of all, let me introduce myself. This is my basic information. We are CNC spring machine manufacturer. CNC spring machine manufacturer. This is my profile, my basic information. Over 20 years experience. Over 20. In Dongguan City. This one a heavy duty spring machine for the wire 3 to 8 millimeter. Much purpose. Mostly like using field, agriculture, automobile, and industrial springs, and agriculture's lactis, presently list 8 slide, and for here just to show presenting the 4 handle join the program for a relative simple task for the tent camp ground stick 8 millimeter 8 millimeter carbon steel to make this at least 8 to 12 pieces per minute. 8 to 12 pieces per minute. Let me introduce further details about this machine. The key specification parameters. Wire rotary spring forming machine. Formula CNC wire rotary spring forming machine. Model number. The key present here's the total including 8 handle. Every of land driven by the motor 4.5 kilowatt. And the slide distance 18 centimeter. The slide for every handle 18 centimeter. And this is the spinner. This one 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. The rail, the slider, the tool holder, the slider base, stop, locked on the solid work panel. So our one, the base, every hand the base locked on the solid work panel, not suspension. So our one is steady for good control for the wire fitting accuracy, and 4 high wind linear guideway. 4 high wind linear guideway, 8 centimeter. The slide distance 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. Presently 8 and 1 spinner wire rotary wire feeding. Manual, so it's total 12 axes. Once added the server sizer, here's server sizer, length goes up to 13 axes. This one for agriculture, lake time, lattice, and also for mining machinery, torsion springs, and irregular wire forming products. The key parameters and some of the tasks typical or standard products for extension pull, double torsion springs, for strawberry leg time, for automobile torsion or extension springs. The specification sheet is, if you're interested, I can send you the electric catalog or specification sheet for this one PDF file, this one PDF file, and the different angles. This machine completed already. If you're interested, send me your inquiry. We will evaluate the sample, then preparing the tools. You can release the order, go next sampling, and then for the dispatch. Or if you presented it do not have the skillful operator you need, come here, build a team. 1 or 2 guys come to our factory for a free using training. And the training usually take, the free using training usually take for this machine 6 to 9 days. 6 to 9 days. And loaded by the high cube container. High cube container. This machine, high cube container. Okay. So the high wind linear gateway and some key points. The major diameter 8 centimeter and the sliding distance 18 centimeter. Sliding distance 4 linear gateway. 4 linear gateway. High wind and the operating system Akuchi and the language for the operating system Chinese, English, or for the American countries, we also customize land in Spanish or to East, North China, East Europe, North China, customized in Russian. For the lake time, lattice. Meanwhile, let's send a similar one to wire forming different customized different tasks. List 3 different products for the wire forming. List 1 wire forming. The sample. Here's showcase the sample in agricultural purpose. Wire forming the long wire into clamp, a clip, or snap in agriculture, greenhouse, or outdoor agriculture for the flooring channel clip, a plant bracket snap, or bamboo trellis clip, a greenhouse lattice clip. And as well, here's all land the mid to large wire heavy duty wire rotary spring forming machine. Wire rotary spring forming machine. The cameras and the cam base wire rotary spring forming machine. This is our catalog. We are CC spring machine manufacturer, professional, over 20 years experience, and we also have the export license, experienced in handling the foreign purchase, over 16 years since 2009 for the foreign trade, for the export. Over the 16 years, our machine has reached country and regions, over 32 country and regions. If you're interested, I can send you this electric catalog. You just need to add my WhatsApp or add my WeChat. I will send you this catalog. Okay, if you interested our catalog, I will send you by WhatsApp, by WeChat. We are experienced in handling the import purchase with experience over 16 years since year 2009, and our machine has already reached over 32 countries and regions. Here's the example of different countries all over all 5 big continents. Showcase the countries for you. And every reached region and countries. We can send you the electric of this file. You can zoom in or zoom out. You can zoom in these pictures for clear and close up. This is our workshop, one of our workshop for a spring forming machine assembly. Workshop for spring forming machine assembly. We also have workshop for compression spring assembly, for mental precision, for the wire house, for electric related parts and the mental parts. So we are mid-sized, over 20 years experience, and had exported experience in foreign exports over 16 years. Our machine process the mental materials, mostly by steel, like stainless steel or carbon steel or iron, copper, bronze, aluminum, and different alloys. For example, the high electric resistance material using as a heating part during winter in cold country or areas. Alloys, different alloys, and the feeding wire for our machine. The biggest majority is the circles long wire, and the second is the flat strip. Also, process different shape of the machines of the materials as like rectangle, square, oval, and segment less semicircle. So this is telling our material, the feeding material, different metals, and the material is shape, feeding material is shaped as a majority in circles along the wire. And then secondly, the flat strip also procession, the rectangle, square, oval segment. So my office, if you are interested, you can send me inquiry. Then we'll discuss to make clear of the those basic key factors for tasks to the machine, for the budget and the target price, for the time we should judge your inquiry, the urgency level, and the priority grade. Also, we need to know about your experience in import purchase, or if whether presently you have the workable transfer load, because we experienced in the export sales with export permits to accept the paying as US dollar, RMB, and euro by the by paying way, TT, and the cash. So this is because we need to make clear what your experience are able handling the import purchase. And then the technical basis, we need to judge the technical basis because this CNC split machine have somewhat demanding on the skills, operating skills. If you are the first time trying to use our machine, we suggest you release the order, then machine installed down, sampling completed. You will assign a team come to our factory for a period of time in free using training. And the list is we also concerns to before specify before make a professional quotation. We should make clear at least points to build up a load for the effective, efficient business discussion. To build a efficient business discussion, we should make clear about these key points. For this machine is for own using or for trading. And for me, I'm a baker, export sales manager, my WhatsApp, and for me, with ability to discuss business discussion in Chinese, English, by text message or voice or video calling, okay? And the following sales contracts we use it perform in one and presented by this page telling our machine, the quality level, and the key bars brands. 1 year got 16, 18 months for the since the dispatch day. Our machine quality are super for the durable precision control. As well, we also have of the for example, this is for a flat strip bending into spiral spring, constant force, wind up spring. And these extension springs. These are very huge, demanding in every field of our life.